if you have been searching for remote jobs and you have been trying and you have not been getting the job, watch this video, because in today's video I'm going to show you a secret method you can use to search for jobs on LinkedIn. All right, if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome to this channel. On this channel I teach you how to do stuff online, and I show you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So before we get into the video, kindly like this video, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. I believe you don't want to miss whenever I post interesting videos like this. All right, so for you to be able to get that job on LinkedIn, it's expected that you should have a LinkedIn account. All right, we want to do this with LinkedIn, so you should have a LinkedIn account. Also, it is expected that you should have your portfolio and your CV. All right, your portfolio, that is what you can do or what you have done before, and your CV. Okay, a very good CV. If you don't know how to write a good CV, just drop a comment for me in the comment section. All right, drop a comment for me. I'm going to show you how to do that. And then you should have these things ready. Okay, you should have these things ready. So let's assume that you have the skills, you have the CV, and you have your LinkedIn account. So what you're going to do is to go to your LinkedIn. All right, you go to your LinkedIn. We want to get this job from LinkedIn, so we go to LinkedIn. Whether you are a graphic designer, you're a web designer, you are a social media person, all right, whatever you can do that is a skill that people are looking to pay you for as a remote person, as somebody looking for a remote job, we are doing this on LinkedIn. Is possible. So you're going to come to the home like this. You come to the search area here. All right, by the way, if you have not yet if you're on LinkedIn and you have not connected with me, just look for this name. All right, search for this name and just connect with me. All right, let's get to know each other. So what you're going to do is to come to the search area here, and we are going to type the name of the job that we're looking for. All right, quotation mark, web designer and hiring. Can you see it? Quotation mark, web designer and quotation mark, hiring, quotation mark. Are you seeing it? Look at the way I wrote it. That's how you are going to do it. In your own case, you're going to pick quotation mark and enter the name of the kind of job you're looking for. Quotation mark, social media, quotation mark, and quotation mark, hiring, quotation mark. Are you seeing it now? Very, very simple. And when you do that, you're going to filter it to post. All right, you're going to filter it to post, and then we'll filter it to 24 hours. That is the post that has just been made 24 hours ago. All right, let's look at this. Okay, you can see now past 24 hours. You click on 24 hours. All right, it's going to show us all the results. It's going to show us all the result of the post that was made within 24 hours. Why are we doing this way? We want to be sure that we are getting jobs that have been posted 24 hours. We don't want anything beyond that. Are you getting now? Anything beyond that, somebody would have gotten the job, because when you post like that, when people post like that, a lot of people apply for the job. So you want to be one of those who are within the first set of people to apply. That is why we are saving the post. All right, that's why we're saving the post down to 24 hours. So what you're going to do is to scroll. When you see a post that has been made, all right, within that 24 hours, what you're going to do is to follow the people or connect with them. And when you follow them and connect with them, you have the opportunity to send a DM to them. Are you getting it now? So once you send the CV to them, discuss with them, and if you are fortunate enough, you are going to get hired. All right, this is a secret way that top guys are using to connect and get remote jobs on LinkedIn. Most people will not tell you this, but I've just told you for free. All right, this is a very secret method. If you want to learn more about how you can get remote jobs, or you want to learn remote jobs that you can do online that you can get money fast, go to the comment section and drop a comment for me, or go to the link in the description. I'll drop links to other important details that you can get. All right, so this is all you need to know for this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.